Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your PayPal account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred browser on your Android device and go to the official PayPal website at paypal.com. Once logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then tap on Wallet from the options. Here, you will see the option to add funds to your PayPal account if you have already linked your card. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, you'll need to do that first by adding your card or bank details. Next, select Add Funds from your bank and choose the bank account linked to your PayPal account. After that, enter the amount of money you want to add and confirm the transaction. The process is simple and quick, though it may take a few business days for the money to appear in your PayPal balance. And that's it. Now you know how to add money to PayPal using your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.